Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to unblock contacts on Tinder using Tinder PC. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. And this is the interface, and right now, we just want to look at how to unblock contacts. At the top left, here's your profile, simply click on it. Then this page will open up, that's the edit profile section. On the left hand side, simply scroll down. And right under this Enable Discovery tab, you will see something like Block Contacts. Simply click on it. Well, as you can see, there are two tabs. That is Contacts. From here, you can add the contact of the person that you would like to block. But right now, we just want to unblock them. The tab on the right, it's blocked. Let's click on it. And right here, as you can see, I had blocked someone previously. And now, I simply want to unblock them. Right next to their name, here's a button called as Unblock. Simply click on it. Well, do note that you have the option to unblock them all at once, but it's up to you. Right now, I only want to unblock this person, so I'm gonna click on Unblock. And guys, there you go. The person has been unblocked. It's quite easy to unblock someone on Tinder. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.